Hey trophies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I'm your favorite trophy. If you're new here, welcome! My name is Sophie and I make beauty, lifestyle, and advice videos. Subscribe! The subscribe button is down below and it's red, and I need you guys to hit it and also turn that notification bell on so you know every time I post and upload, and you guys are aware and able to see my beautiful face again. So let us begin. Here with my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, trophies.
Yeah.
I'm Yvonne. Thank you for having me.
She's Mama Troph, guys.
Thanks.
In the comments down below, type Mama Troph, okay? Hashtag Mama Troph. Right. So with the accent tag, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say a list of words, and you guys are gonna determine whether or not we have an accent. So let's begin. The first word is
Ruin.
ruin.
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Caught.
Caught.
Naturally.
Naturally.
Aluminum.
Aluminum.
Crayon.
Crayon.
Toilet.
Toilet.
Spitting image.
Spitting image. Syrup.
Syrup.
Aunt.
Aunt. Root.
Root.
Theater.
Theater. Salmon.
Salmon.
Caramel.
Caramel.
Fire.
Fire. Water.
Water.
New Orleans.
New Orleans.
Pecan.
Pecan.
Both.
Both.
Again.
Again.
Probably.
Probably.
Alabama.
Alabama.
Lawyer.
Lawyer.
Coupon.
Coupon.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Envelope.
Envelope. Okay, now the second part of the accent tag is we're gonna read out the questions and then we're gonna answer them. So, what is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? TP. What would you call that when someone throws toilet paper at a house? You're TPing a house, right?
TP in a house.
What would they call it in Jamaica?
I'm not sure. I've never had toilet paper thrown in a house.
No, but you never heard like someone say, "Oh, someone threw toilet paper on my house." They would call it a certain phrase.
No.
Oh, I guess not. Okay. What is the bug that when you touch it, it curls into a ball?
A spider.
Ah! Ooh! Ooh! I feel like I earned a degree.
You're both wrong. It was a roly-poly bug.
I guess spiders do curl up in a ball. I think a caterpillar.
Oh, caterpillar. That's right.
What is a bubbly carbonated drink called?
Pop.
Soda. What do you call gym shoes?
Sneakers.
What do you call your grandparents?
Grandma, grandpa.
Yeah, grandma, grandpa. What do you call the kind of spider that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? Is it daddy long legs?
Daddy long legs. That's right. Daddy long legs. Okay.
What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket?
A cart or a carriage.
Yeah, a shopping cart.
Shopping cart or a carriage.
Or what are they? Yeah.
A pull cart.
Grab the shopping cart or grab a cart.
Yeah.
That's what we say. Grab a cart, grab a shopping cart. What is the thing you change the TV channel with?
A remote.
The remote. What do you call it when rain falls while the sun is shining?
The devil and his wife is fighting.
That's a Jamaican one.
That's the Jamaican one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what I would call that. What do you say to address a group of people? I say, hey guys.
Hi. Hello.
Oh, you just say hello?
Yeah.
No. What is the head of the family called?
The head of the family. The father.
No, it's not always the man. It could be a woman.
That could be too. The head of the household.
True. What do you call fried eggs?
Fried eggs.
When a river is surrounded by a piece of land, what do you call it?
TikTok. Okay.
So read it. No. So look at it and then look at the camera and then we'll both say the words.
Wash. Oil.
Okay, trophies, that was the accent tag. So, wow, amazing. You made it to the end of the video. Congrats. And since it's the end of the video, we are going to reveal where we are from. I'm from Queens, New York. Born and raised, and the only time I've been out of New York is to go to school, and that was in Pennsylvania. However, I feel like I do not have an accent.
Wait a minute. You've been to Jamaica? You've been to Hawaii?
Okay, but I've never lived for a long extended period of time. So I don't believe that I have an accent, but maybe you guys thought I did, and we'll find out. Mom, where are you from?
I was born in the island of Jamaica, West Indies. Lived in Springfield, Massachusetts, and then relocated to New York. I speak to people all over the country and they cannot recognize that I'm from Jamaica. But of course, those of you who are familiar with a lot of Jamaicans may recognize the accent. So, do you believe I have an accent? I'm sure you do, because I know that I have an accent and I like my accent. So, I hope you like your accent. Tell us where you're from.
Yes, let us know in the comments down below where are you from and what accent you have, because you